18 December, today the mass demonstration and rally has been organized by the 24 Plus organization at the Food Consultancy Park. So the main topic of our demand is the same as 20 September 2016, the first memorandum that we have submitted. The main topic of our rally and demonstration is that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council should have its own separate electoral roll on basis of council election, which was our 24 Plus representative have filed a case in the Guwahati High Court, for which we have already won the case. And onto this matter, still now the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the HAD have not taken any step regarding this matter. So we would like to condemn them for not taking this necessary step, because this is the prior right of the Karbi people residing in the Karbi Anglong, and not only the Karbi people, all the tribal indigenous people. It is the genuine right of our people. So it is a constitutional right, and according to paragraph 2 subparagraph 7, the act and rule and the new separate electoral roll according to paragraph 20 should be fulfilled as far as possible. And regarding the traditional village council, the autonomous council council have not taken any step regarding this matter. So I would like to inform to the higher authority of KASC that kindly take this matter as a serious issue regarding this matter, because the tribal have its own traditional customs and regulation for which we have on our tradition. So according to this tradition, we should have our own rights and we should have our own judiciary system. So for this, we would like to call out the autonomous council to kindly take this step as a serious issue. Otherwise, in the coming future, according to the constitutional and according to the democratic, we are going to go furthermore step, and we are going to take another furthermore step, for which anything untoward happen, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council will be fully responsible, and we will be demonstrating each and everything according to the democratic law of our country, and for which we would like to condemn the government of KASC as well as the HAD for not taking this matter up to very serious issue. For this, today we have again reorganized our 24 Plus movement rally at the Full Wisdom Society Park. The previous time we have stopped for sudden due to the sudden increase of Corona COVID-19, but this is the first step of 24 Plus again rebirth. So we will not stop, and unless and until the right of our demand has been fulfilled, for which we are going to take a further step regarding this, and this is just the new beginning again of the 24 Plus organization. So we are going to take more further step, and regarding this, each and every angle and each and everything which is going to be happen in the future, the KASC and the HAD will have the full responsibilities. Thank you.
24 Plus organization হয় আমি প্রতিবাদ কৰিছোঁ, কাৰণ কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিল ইয়াত ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল ভিলেজ কাউন্সিল, যিটো ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল ভিলেজ কাউন্সিল PCTCৰ কাৰণে এটা কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলে গঠন কৰিব বিচাৰিছে, এইটো আমি নামানো। কাৰণ ইয়াত ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল ভিলেজ কাউন্সিল হ'ব লাগে এজ পাৰ 62 to the Indian Constitution, paragraph 3 subparagraph 1 clause E F G H I J এর মধ্যে ইয়াত ভিলেজ কাউন্সিল, ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল ভিলেজ কাউন্সিল গঠন হ'ব লাগে। ইয়াৰ কাৰণে লগত আৰু আছে 62 to the Indian Constitution, paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 মতে, যিটো হাইকোৰ্টৰ যিটো অৰ্ডাৰ মতে ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট এতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ যিটো ডিমাণ্ড এতিয়ালৈকে ফুলফিল কৰা, ইয়াৰ কাৰণে অতি শীঘ্ৰে সেইটো ইমপ্লিমেণ্ট কৰিব লাগে। ইয়াৰ কাৰণে আমি ৰাজপথত আমি ওলাই আহিছোঁ, আৰু আগন্তুক দিনত ইয়াতকৈ আৰু প্ৰতিবাদ